Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you my DIY hot oil treatment that I do weekly on my hair to not only retain length but encourage growth in my hair and promote soft, silky, smooth hair. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright y'all, so the first oil that I'm going to be adding to my hot oil treatment is coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth getting deep into the follicles. It promotes the scalp health by fighting problems like insect bites, lice, and dandruff. Coconut oil also adds luster and shine to soften hair. The next product I'm going to be adding is shea butter. Now, shea butter has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and scalp irritation by providing healing effects without clogging the pores. It also repairs the hair follicles. So adding shea butter into your hair coats each strand and provides a protective barrier. The next product I'm going to be adding is olive oil. The presence of the fatty acids in the olive oil help protect the roots of damaged hair and prevent any further damage to any brittle strands. The next product I'm going to be adding is Jamaican black castor oil. Now, Jamaican black castor oil moisturizes, thickens, strengthens, and rapidly increases hair growth. Now, it does so by increasing the blood flow to the scalp. This supplies valuable nutrients to hair follicles. Jamaican black castor oil also helps prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry and itchy scalp. Now, next I will be adding a tablespoon of the wild hair growth oil. Now, this oil contains many vitamins and nutrients as well as amino acids that help support hair growth and health. Now, these foundational vitamins and amino acids are necessary for the fundamental structure of the hair follicle itself. This oil contains jojoba, vitamin D, calcium, choline, inositol, and magnesium, just to name a few. Now next, I'm going to be going ahead and going in with the mint almond oil by Maya Organics. Now, I have been using this oil since I started my natural hair journey. Now, almond oil is a carrier protein that binds to each strand to seal and lock in moisture, helping to reduce breakage and shedding and heal a dry, itchy scalp. The menthol and peppermint essential oil is a vasodilator. The vasodilation improves blood flow to the scalp. In many instances, hair loss occurs due to a starved blood flow to the hair follicles. Increasing the circulation with a vasodilator like peppermint potentially improves hair growth and prevents hair loss. And the last oil I'm adding is argan oil. Now, argan oil is mostly used as a moisturizer for skin and hair because it's full of fatty acids. These oils have been shown to lubricate the hair shaft and maintain moisture. Argan is also rich in vitamin E, and this provides a fatty layer to your hair and scalp that may prevent dryness and help reduce frizziness, also boosting shine. So now I'm going ahead and putting my oils into a hot water bath. Now, the benefit of the hot water bath is that as opposed to heating the oils up in the microwave or on the stove, you don't risk the chance of losing any of the nutrients that they have to offer. Overheating of the oils past their chemical boiling point could result in the loss of their nutrients and their effectiveness. Thus, heating in a hot water bath allows the oils to heat evenly and smoothly, not resulting in a boiling or an overheating of their properties. So this natural heating process took relatively 25 minutes to go ahead and fully melt all of the oils. So now I'm going ahead and removing the hot oils from the hot water bath, and I'm going to let those cool down. Once they've cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them into my applicator bottle. Alright y'all, so you can apply this to damp or dry hair. So I did go ahead and rinse out the product that I had in my hair so that way the oils would be able to get and penetrate through. So now I'm going to go ahead and just apply this to my scalp and work it down my hair shaft. And I'm going to do this section by section until I've used up most of my oil and my hair feels like it's been fully coated with this oil mixture. And using my Tangle Teezer brush, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I've got all those tangles out of my hair. And I'm going to twist each section up and continue this all the way around my head. Alright y'all, and now I am finished. So I'm going to go ahead and with my scalp massager, and I will link this down below so you can see where you can get one of these. Now, massaging your scalp is very beneficial. Scalp massages stimulate the blood circulation, and this in turn channels more nutrients to the hair roots. The increased circulation helps strengthen the roots of the hair and nourishes the hair shafts, promoting new hair growth and strengthening current hair. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and throw on a plastic bag, and on top of that I'm going to put on my thermal conditioning cap, and I will link this in the description box below so you can see where you can pick one of these up at. And I'm going to let this sit. Now you can sleep this on overnight, but it can be a little messy, so I'm going to leave mine on for just a couple hours, and then I'm going to come back and wash it out. Alright guys, so I did end up sleeping on this overnight, and I do love my results. My hair feels so soft, it looks healthy, defined, and moisturized. So this hot oil treatment did exactly what I needed it to do. It gave me that manageability and that softness that I was looking for. My hair feels super moisturized, super hydrated. Alright y'all, that completes this video. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. And go ahead and head over to my Instagram to see what I'm over there doing at Carla La Natural. Thanks for watching. Bye.